Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase or decrease the size of your fonts on any HyperOs phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, scroll down and tap on font settings. Now from here, just swipe to the right side to increase the size of your fonts and swipe to the left side to decrease the size of your fonts. Now, as you can see in the preview, as I'm swiping to the right side, the size of the font is increasing in the preview. As you can see. Now let's select the largest size. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now, as you can see, we have successfully increased the size of the font on our HyperOs phone. Now, to decrease the size of the font, just open the settings app. Now, from here, just swipe to the left side and decrease the size of the font. Now, from here, just go to the home screen. Now, as you can see, we have successfully decreased the size of the font. And this is how you can increase or decrease the size of the font on any HyperOs phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.